Hello students, good morning all of you. I hope you all are fine. I Neeraj Khare, the science teacher of class 7. So dear student, today we start chapter 6 physical and chemical changes is part 2. Today's topic is rusting of iron. So an iron object is left exposed to moist air. It chemically react with oxygen and water in the air to form a red brown flaky substance is called rust. The process of the rusting can be represented by the following equations. Represented by the following equation. The iron is symbols of Fe plus oxygen is O2 or the form air. So water H2O and equals to rust iron oxide Fe2O thrice is a equation of rusting of iron. Rusting occur in the presence of the both oxygen and the water. Rusting occur in the presence of both oxygen and water. The more humid the air, the faster the rusting occur. The rust slowly eat away or the corrodes the iron, leading to the considerable loss. Prevention of rusting. Prevention of rusting. Rusting can be prevented by the not allowing the iron to come in contact with moisturize and air. The simplest method is to coat the iron with oil, grease or paint. These coats should be applied regularly to prevent rusting. These coats should be applied regularly to prevent rusting. A more efficient method is to coat the iron with the another metals with such as zinc or chromium. This process of depositing a layer of zinc on iron is called galvanization. The process of depositing of layer of zinc on iron is called galvanization. The iron pipes we use in our home to carry water are galvanized to prevent rusting. Carry water are galvanized to prevent rusting. Rusting of ships is a major problem. In the shipping industries, as the body of a ship is always in contact with water and the air around it is also very humped. The salt in water speed up the process of rusting. The salt in water speed up the process of rusting. The salt in water speed up the process of rusting. This lead to the monetary loss to the shipping industries. Loss to the shipping industries. So rusting of iron can be prevented by the allowing it to make stainless steel. Rusting of iron can be prevented by the alloying into the make the stainless steel. Stainless steel is the made by the mixing iron with the carbon and the metals like the chromium, nickel and magnesium. It does not rust. Stainless steel is the made by the mixing iron with carbon and the metals like chromium, nickel and magnesium. It does not rust. The next one is the crystallization. So crystallizations, the seawater contain the salt dissolved in it, which make it salty. In it, which make it salty. So we have the learned in class 6 that salt can be obtained from the seawater by the process of evaporation. The salt obtained in this the manner is not pure and its the crystals are small. The salt obtained in this the manner is not pure and its the crystals are small. The shape of the crystals cannot be seen clearly. Large crystals of pure substance can, however, be obtained from their solution by the process of crystallization. The process of crystallization, the shape of the crystals cannot be seen clearly. Large crystals of pure substance can, however, be obtained from their solution by the process of crystallization. It is an the example of physical change. It is an example of physical change. It is an example of physical change. The process of the cooling a hot concentrated solution of the substance to obtain crystals is called crystallization. It is an the example of physical change. The process of the cooling a hot concentrate solution of a substance to be obtained crystals is the crystallization. It's called crystallization. The process of the crystallization is used to the obtain crystals of a pure solid substance from the impure solid substance. The process of crystallization is the use to obtain crystals of a pure solid substance from the impure solid substance. Impure copper sulfate powder can be purified by the process of the crystallization to obtain large crystals of pure copper sulfate. Impure the copper sulfate powder can be purified by the process of the crystallization to obtain large crystals of pure copper sulfate. So dear student, today this topic is complete and chapter also complete. So I send you the PDF for the NCRT exercise. So complete your exercise and send me. Thank you.